Good morning everyone. Hope all are fine. In the previous sessions we discussed about the basic computer introduction. Now today onwards we discussed about the MS Office. MS stands for Microsoft. So the most important software in a computer. So it is developed by the Bill Gates in the 1st of August 1989. The list of Microsoft versions are Microsoft Office XP 97, 2000, 2007 and 2010. So this MS Office was first developed by the Microsoft company, and the operating system which we are using in the MS Office is Microsoft Windows. So Microsoft Office, the main purpose of Microsoft Office is especially used for the office purposes, like to create the documentation purposes, to create worksheets, presentations, databases. So these are the four basic usages of the MS Office. So the documentation will be created in the MS Word, and worksheets can be created in the MS Excel, and presentation will be created in the MS PowerPoint, and finally the database will be created in the MS Access. So MS Office is integrated with four packages. Those are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and MS Access. So MS Office is integrated with four packages. That is the main reason we are calling MS Office as a integrated software package, or else ISP. ISP stands for integrated software package. So next, so here, see here, MS Word, the file format of MS Word and the extension for the MS Word is .doc. DOC means documentation. See here, documentation, DOC. Next, MS Excel, the file format and the extension for the MS Excel is .xls. XLS stands for Excel spreadsheets. Excel spreadsheets or worksheets. We are calling spreadsheets or worksheets. And next, MS PowerPoint, the file format and extension for the MS PowerPoint is .ppt, presentation. And the MS Access, there is no extension for the MS Access. Why? Because the information and data will be stored in the MS Access in the form of tabular format. So there is no extension for the MS Access. We have three extensions, that is MS Word for .doc, MS Excel for .xls and MS PowerPoint for .ppt. These are the three extensions for the MS Office, three packages for the three extensions. So there is no extension for the MS Access. So these are the packages, these four kind of packages, and these are the especially used for the office's purposes, like documentations, worksheets, presentations and databases. So next, coming to the advantages of MS Office. So we have two kinds of application, that is open source application and pay per use applications. So open source, MS Office is a open source application. Open source application is nothing but it is a free of application. We know there is no need of purchasing the application. It will be available in a Google. By downloading this application, everybody can use it. And pay per use application means we have to pay for the application. So MS Office is a open source application. The main advantage of MS Office is open source application, and this application is used by over 1.2 billion people, and this application can be works in a 365 days at any time, anywhere, over 24 hours, 7 weeks we can work with this application. And next, this application will be used for multi purposes, like schools, offices, business purposes. We are using this MS Office. So finally, it present due to the limited storage, resource and requirement for convenient access. So we prefer to store all kind of data in the computers. So it is a better option for companies and organizations to retrieve the data from the computers. So MS Office is the best option for companies and organizations to store the data and retrieve the data and to do the work very effectively and efficiently. So this is about the MS Office basic introduction. So next we will continue about the 4 packages in a next session. Thank you.